Hey guys, Badger here from B.T.E.C.H IT Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a short little video of how to increase your computer speed. It's not going to be a very big, video and long and so on. I just want to show one or two small things, but will help increase most computer speeds. Okay, if you've noticed after you've reloaded a computer from scratch, the computer is running fast, but it's still not running nearly as quick as what it can. Now, for example, if we go into our task manager over here at the bottom, and we go to performance, you'll see my base speed is 3.6 gigahertz, yet my computer's only running, between 1 and 2 gigahertz. Now that's just basically Intel's speed step, which is shutting down cores and so on as it thinks it's not needed. The problem with this that I have found is, unfortunately, not always does it ramp up to maximum capacity. Now to quickly resolve this without messing around in the BIOS too much, what we do is we go to the start menu and then we type in power, and you'll see power and sleep settings. Now if we go to additional power settings, we'll see you've got balance. Now this is always the default, and there's not always an option for a more increased performance setting. In my case there is, because I've already created one, but all that you do is you go to create power plan, we select high performance, we name it, say, I don't know, maximum effort, and we say next. Choose when the display should switch off and when it should go to sleep. Say create. Okay, there you see it's on maximum effort now. Now if we minimize and go back to our task manager, it's actually ramping up, an Intel Turbo Boost and all of that nonsense is actually kicking in, increasing the CPU's performance. Now this is applicable to desktop and laptops. I have noticed laptops seem to suffer a bit more underneath it. But that's one quick way of increasing system speed. Another one to increase responsiveness, if we right click on this PC, for example, and we go to properties, and we go to advanced system settings, performance, then instead of letting Windows choose what's best, we choose adjust for best performance. Now what's that's going to do is it's going to decrease the sharpness of some of your text. So if you're not comfortable with that, then you can always just come and revert this. What I tend to do is I leave it on best performance, go to custom, and then just say show thumbnails instead of icons, because that can be really annoying if you don't know what picture is actually there and it's just a base pic. And then that's it. Then we say okay, and that should give you another 2 or 3% increase in system responsiveness throughout the board. Okay guys, like I said, it's a short video today. What I will do in future is I'm going to do a full write-up of how to increase system performance, from start to finish, from installing a solid state drive, redoing Windows, making sure drivers are up to date, and all kinds of nonsense. And yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, then I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.